Troubleshooting guide for air conditioner not cooling. Welcome to Easy to Learn Tech. If your AC isn't cooling, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Check the thermostat. Ensure it's set to cool and at a lower temperature than the room. Simple oversight can cause this problem. Step 2. Dirty air filter. Replace or clean a clogged air filter to improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Step 3. Inspect the condenser unit. Clear obstructions around the outdoor condenser unit to ensure proper heat exchange. Step 4. Check for refrigerant leaks. Look for visible signs of leaks like oily spots or hissing sounds. Call a pro if you suspect a leak. Step 5. Test the capacitor/PCBs. Inspect for bulging or leaking capacitors/PCBs that affect the compressor. Call a technician if unsure. Step 6. Verify the compressor and fan. Ensure both the outdoor compressor and fan are running. Issues here require professional help. Step 7. Frozen evaporator coils. Turn off the AC, let ice thaw, and check for blocked airflow or low refrigerant levels if you see ice buildup. Step 8. Electrical issues. Check connections and circuit breakers for loose wires or trips, tighten connections and reset breakers if needed. Some are DIY, but others need professional attention. Call an HVAC technician if necessary. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. Stay cool, and thanks for watching. Share your experiences below.